All right, hey everybody, here we go. So I want to teach you one of my favorite tutorials, and it's called The Art of Slow Cooker Meats. And in it, you're going to see the versatility of whether you like pork, beef, chicken, lamb, whatever you're in the mood for. It's kind of a modular style cooking technique that you can swap different types of meats in and out, along with taking them to different ethnic origins. So whether you're in the mood for Indian, Thai, Latin, whatever your vibe is, it's a pretty cool tutorial. So it's important that we look at this idea of how can we still get the comfort food that we're craving during a challenging time like now, and instead of just going towards all the carbohydrates and kind of the crappy foods that we know we enjoy in the moment, we want to look at the long haul. So typically slow cooked meats are going to be leaner cuts, and that's going to be a good thing for us. All right, so we're going to get loaded up on protein, but good protein that fills our bellies, sticks to our ribs, and just makes us feel better. And that's what I think we're all looking for right now. So check out this tutorial, and then later on I'm going to put a video out there on my interpretation of slow cooker meats, because I want to set myself up for success for the next couple of days. I want to make some tacos, a pasta dish, and I'm thinking comfort. So stick around.
So you want to master your slow cooker, huh? Well, it starts with a simple gathering of ingredients that will serve as the foundation for healthy comfort and convenience whenever you need it. So let's get started. In order to build big flavor, you've got to start with some basic kitchen staples. What you'll need are these slow cooker cornerstones: celery, carrots, onion, garlic, bay leaves, broth, and some thyme. Now let's focus on chicken as the star of the show. Using a preheated pan on medium heat along with some oil, brown the chicken pieces on all sides. In order to develop the most flavor in the slow cooking process, keep the skin on. It can always be removed before serving, and the excess fat left behind can be easily skimmed away. Now that you've gathered your ingredients and browned your meat, let's get started. First, add your staple ingredients, which will help develop all those comforty flavors we crave with slow-cooked foods. Next, place your chicken pieces inside, making sure there are no gaps of air. Finally, add about a cup of broth. Cover and cook on low for at least 8 hours, or until the internal temperature of the chicken reaches 165 degrees. With the versatility of this cooking method, it's easy to switch things up. So maybe you're bored with chicken. If so, swap one of these proteins instead. If you love beef, then you're in luck. Try flank steak or inside round. How about pork? Just trim the excess fat on the outside of the pork shoulder, and remember to skim the fat from the cooking liquid when done. How about some more ideas to switch up flavors? Maybe you love ethnic food. Well, how about these flavor combinations to inspire the evolution of your slow cooker skills? All you gotta do is swap the herbs and some spices, and maybe change up the cooking liquid. Check out these ideas. How about Italian? Or maybe Mexican? How about Indian? And what about Thai? So now, with your basic knowledge of slow cooker meats, you can take your goals of better eating in a direction where comfort, convenience, and versatility have no limitations. And remember, practice makes permanent.